And Gusty 849 has the traffic to follow inside.
Gusty 849, roger, follow the twin Cessna traffic.
Roger, Gusty 849.
Gusty. Yeah, a little gusty here. Right off the, in the middle of the ocean over here.
Yes, sir.
Keep flying it down, you're right on the glide slope, which is good. Keeping that 85 knots.
Air 902, runway 24, clear to land number 2.
Be a little bit more,
Clear
throttle moving up, down, you know, keep your speed at 85. If you're fast, bring power back. If you're low, add power.
Good speed 849, runway 24, clear to land number 3.
Clear to land 24, number 3, Gusty 849.
Good speed
So we'll have a
202,
crosswind correction here.
runway
Went
24,
from the
clear to
right.
land number 4.
24, clear to land, number 4, good speed 202.
Still looking good. Don't let that speed drop. Add power now. Be alive on the throttle.
Sir. 920, we have the morning on final in sight.
Roger.
Yeah, perfect. Get it with the ground effect. Left rudder. A little bit of right aileron. Too much rudder. There you go. Just like that. What's up?
Flaps up.
Keep the yaw in check. Keep the aileron in.
00
On the brakes.
Echo Foxtrot,
Make
turn
Bravo.
right at Bravo, contact ground.
Right of Bravo, contacting ground, 20 Echo Foxtrot.
Okay. Ground 132.5, and remember to change your mic. Did that last time.
Yeah.
Okay, let's clean up the plane before we call them to boost pump off, make sure slightly back.
Just slightly back.
Caps are up, pitot heat's off, lights are as required, everything else is good.